Building business credit. A lot of people tend to overcomplicate this process when it comes to building business credit. One, you think, oh my God, I gotta have perfect credit, or I can bypass my credit. Those are the two things. It's a little bit more than that. And it really just does depend on how long you've been in business, what type of business you have. Do you have a brick and mortar? Do I have revenue coming in? Building business credit is not the same for every business. But what I can tell you is that building business credit is not just some net 30 accounts. So if you're going to build business credit for your business and you're going to spend $1,000 a month on net 30 accounts, be careful. If you have no revenue coming in and there's no purpose of you obtaining this business credit, what are you really building business credit for? Do not put yourself in a position to where you're going to overextend yourself, have these crazy monthly payments on net 30s, and you're not ultimately going to do anything for them. While building business credit with net 30s is, I think, very, very crucial and a very, very important part of the business credit building process, just make sure that you're using net 30s wisely and you're not putting yourself in a position to where you're going to have to close that LLC down, or you're going to now have late payments on your personal credit because you can't keep up with the payments. One of the tips that I like to tell people when it comes to building business credit, look at your bank statements. Look at the credit card statements that you have in the last 12 months. Sometimes you might not even realize that some of the vendors and some of the places that you're going to right now already offer business credit. And even if it doesn't report to the business credit bureaus, it's okay, because if you're in construction, landscaping, depending on what your business is on, even if you're in the restaurant industry, they give net 7 terms instead of net 30. Imagine if somebody was able to give you a line of credit or credit for, let's say, $10,000, and you don't have to pay them back in 30 days. And even if it doesn't report to the business credit bureaus, how would that help your cash flow? Would you be able to take on more jobs knowing that, okay, I can get $10,000 in material, just make payroll, get the money from the job, and then pay it? I think the answer to that is yes, okay? There are also places like Lowe's, Home Depot, Sam's Club that also give credit cards, okay? And depending on how long you've been in business, you might even get approved with these credit cards under your business with no personal guarantee. I can tell you this, if you own a business, try this. If you own a business, go to the counter at Home Depot, go to the counter at Lowe's and say, I'm looking to obtain a business credit card for my business. I'm a local business owner. What is the process? They're probably going to give you a brochure, or sometimes you can even apply in person. You apply with the brochure they give you. You then apply. You build a relationship with Home Depot or Lowe's. And it's just one of the ways to do business. You ever remember I know back in the day, my grandfather in Puerto Rico had a credit with the local grocery store, is because relationships ultimately matter. So even though there was no credit card, it was just credit that he had with that grocery store. And in a sense, that's what you're doing with these local vendors, and even with Home Depot or Lowe's, you're building a relationship. So imagine if you got approved for a $2,000 Home Depot credit card right now, that can grow into a $15,000 or $20,000 business credit card down the road. The last thing I want to make sure you do is apply for NAV, N-A-V. Okay, so you can just go to nav.com, and also the link is below if you would like to apply for them. Because what they're going to do is they're going to get you established with Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, and you're monitoring your business credit by paying for the business credit monitoring subscription, which I think is pretty cool. And they also will provide you what's called a Prime card, which is think of like a secured credit card, but even though you're not putting any money down, as you use this credit card, you're going to be able to build a business trade line with NAV and with the Prime card. Now you have two accounts reporting on your business credit profiles, okay? And building business credit, guys, I can tell you that it's not just about building, let me just get some net 30s or whatever the case is. It's about using accounts that you're going to use over and over again and building true business credit that's going to last you for years to come. The fourth thing that I want to talk to you about, which is not my ultimate favorite, because American Express, which is number 5, I would say this one is the most overlooked.